Hi, my name is Martin Chilvers, Field Crops Pathologist at Michigan State University. Today I would like to talk about research that has been conducted to understand charcoal rot, soybean growth stages and yield loss as a result of charcoal rot. Charcoal rot is a recognised disease of soybean in the southern US. However, little attention has been given to this disease in northern states. Anecdotal accounts from growers and agribusiness indicate that charcoal rot is affecting yield across northern states. We have also isolated the charcoal rot fungus Macrophyllina phaseolina from soybean fields at various growth stages. The United Soybean Board and North Central Soybean Research Program are funding research projects to determine the impact of charcoal rot on yield, which includes the careful monitoring of soybean plants for infection by the charcoal rot fungus. In the trials behind me, we are assessing the impact of charcoal rot on yield and the impacts of drought stress or water availability. We are conducting these trials by inoculating with the charcoal rot fungus at planting and applying irrigation with drip tape to particular treatments. Our controls include non-inoculated plots, which provide us a side-by-side comparison to determine yield loss. To examine the timing of plant infection by Macrophyllina, we are collecting plants during the season for assessment. We assess these plants by splitting the stems and looking for signs of the pathogen, such as microsclerotia. We also take these roots, we grind them and we plate them onto semi-selective media to determine the number of colony-forming units. This gives us a quantity of Macrophyllina that is present in the roots, which we can then relate to growth stage and yield loss. A number of seed treatment, in-furrow and foliar fungicide treatments are also being assessed for management of charcoal rot. So far, we have seen that Macrophyllina is infecting plants early during the growing season, which may indicate that seed treatments have a role to play in management. As expected, yield loss to charcoal rot appears to be highly dependent on the variety of soybean that is grown and on water stress. Once these trials are completed, we will have an improved understanding of yield loss and potential management solutions. Summaries and management recommendations will be made available through USB and NCSRP websites and extension activities.